Hey guys, Ben over here at FRI. I got something really cool. We've all been taking temperatures at the doctor's, or your kid has to have their temperature read, right? So we have this really cool tool. It's a camera plus it's a heat sensor. It tells us temperature. And what we can really do and make this thing really cool in this shop. Let me just give you an example of what it can do. Here's my finger on the wall. And there it is. That is still my heat on the wall. So that's how particular and how sensitive this camera is. So where can we use something like this in our shop? Seat heaters, which are super important. As a matter of fact, here's a picture of a seat heater not on. That's just my handprint on there. And then here's a picture of the coils actually working inside of the seat. So it's fantastic to show us something like that. We can also use it on your rear defrost. Make sure your rear defrost is working. We can use it on batteries. We just used it today on vent temperatures. So making sure that the vent temperatures coming out of your dashboard are all equal. One of the cool tools that are out there that we invest in this business to make sure that we're on the top of our game and that we fix it right the first time. So I'm Ben over here at FRI. Come on down anytime you got any questions. That's it for today. So thanks a lot, guys. See you later. Heat camera. I gotta turn it on. It's not even on.
B-roll.
Top on.